Okay, this is a way you will create the database file here. Here, next important thing here is a creation of table. Here, how can you create the table? The table creation. What are the way for creating the table here? That means by using SQLite command here. SQLite already you create the database here. SQLite SQLite, that means execute. Here you may use different commands for the creation of table here. Here I am using some command. I can tell you next different way creating the table here. Execute database database name here. Within a database here I am going to creating a simple table here. That means you will take the that means within a double quotation you will create table. The table name I am taking the EMP table here, the new table. That's why already just now I created database. That means not existed any table here. That's why I'm going to creating the table here. Here EMP number. Here how can you represent the EMP number here? Let us take integer. Here e name. Here how can you take the you may take the text value. Text comma e name, and then you may take the salary. How can you take the salary here? Salary also integer here, and then department number dept number. These four are the fields of the employee table. Here the department number you may take the text value here. In this way you end with the semicolon. Here, this is a way creating the simple table here. Here, that means it indicates the execution successfully. 101 indicates the execution process successfully executed. Here, take the another table here. Similarly, you may create the different tables in a SQLite. Here, SQLite not employee number. I'm going to creating the DEPT department table here. Let us take here. What are the department table? Department table consists of DEPT DEPT number. Let us take DEPT number. The DEPT number here is a text type, and then department name. The department name here also a text type. Text type, and then for example let us take location, or which location I am taking here is a also a text type. Here end with a semicolon, and then okay closed bracket. Okay, here I'm going to creating the another table here. Yeah, in this way you will create the different tables here for the yeah, I'm going to creating the another table here. For example, this is a one table here. The table name here is a company. Here it also executed here. And next to another table here, the department table. Like that, you will create the different table by using SQLite. Here another important one here is they created the table here. Here how can you inserting the values into the table here? Here what is the way for inserting the value? Here if you want to insert the values into the table here, you will take the SQL execute command here. That means you are going to inserting values into the SQL command. That means insert into EMP employee table. Here okay, what are the employee table fields here? The employee table consists of employee number, employee name, and then employee salary, and then department number here. That means you need to place these fields here. Let us take employee number one. Employee name, for example, you take any name here. For example, Uma is employee name, and then the salary equal to 5,000. Let us take, and then let us take the department here. Which department he belongs to? Department number 10. That means you will consider here department number 10. Department number 10 is a CSE department. Is the department number 20 is the IT department. Let us think like that here. And with the semicolon, and with semicolon, that means it is going to inserting the values into the table here. Here, here executing the values here. The one at one insert into values. It's consists of some syntax error here. That means cannot string literal. Yeah, it's not taking the string literal double quotation marks. I'm using the single quotation mark. Yeah, it will execute the employee number. Let us take similar way. You may execute the that means you may store the different values in a table here. That means SQLite dot execute here inserting the values here. For example, number two name here is a, let us take Rama, and then salary here is a 60,000, and then department number belongs to department number 20. Let us take here, if you execute this one it will execute, that means inserting the values into table here. Here similarly you will execute the another value, that means insert into emp values. Here values for, let us take three values, and then Krishna, here Krishna, and then let us take some 9,000 value, 90,000. He also belongs to CSC department. That's the department name here is a 60. Here in this way you will inserting the values into the table here. That means that means you want to see those values here. Here, okay. If you want to verify whether these values are inserted or not here, that means by using uh, database interface command here, database interface command, and then, for example, I want to see the values here. Select star from EMP, already executed EMP table. Select star from EMP and with a semicolon and then closing bracket here. Here, that means I want to see. This is a way you will execute the select statement here. Here, that takes some time for getting. Yeah, it will execute these values here like this. It's not giving any error here. It's not error. Here, the SQLite database is a Rama. That means in this Rama, you are having the different values here. It is if you want to say this in a particular order, you will use a data frame. Already explained data frame separate. For example, using data frame, you may use the data frame here. That means the data frame values, data frame here, data frame here, those values are represented by using data frame, data frame. Yeah, it is executed, that means particular order. It takes some time. Yeah, it is showing in a particular order here. That means you may use data frame, that means it is in a particular order, that means it's executed like this here. Here in this way you will create the table here, and then you will apply the select statement for this table. Yeah, if you want to delete the that means you inserted some values into the table here. If you want to delete the values here, how can you delete these values here? Here they will have a command is the delete command. Here delete, okay, you use capital letters better. Here delete from a table name. Here the command here is a delete from table name. You may apply the where condition here. Delete from, for example, EMP. That means the entire information for the EMP table deleted here. If you write the delete from EMP, the entire information deleted. That means I don't want to delete entire table here. I want to delete one column from here. That means I don't need column, then I don't need a row 3. Here the employee number equal to 3. I want to delete that number here. Here that's why I'm using the where condition. Where EMP number, here EMP number equal to 3. Here end with semicolon. Okay, it will delete the, okay, I need this one here, bracket. Yeah, execute. Delete. Why it is taking premature? Delete from, yeah, semicolon. Here you have to end with semicolon here. Yeah, that is problem. Okay, here it will delete the entire text. That means if you want to see this one, if you execute this one here, that means what are the records I want to see, the record here. Here, how can you see the record here? That means by using select statement you will see the record. Here the select statement, select star from EMP. That means one record deleted from the table here. Yeah, it will delete the table here. This is a way deleting the values from the table. And then if you need the another important statement here is a update statement. You may update the values in a table also. That means unfortunately I am taking the values some other case. Update EMP, for example, you have a table here. I want to update these values. Here you have a table. That means I want to update these values here. Unfortunately, the salary of Rama 60,000, not a 60,000. I'm going to replace that value with only 8,000. Here, that is the way here. That means I unfortunately wrongly printed the value here is a 60,000. It is a 8,000 here. Here I'm going to updating that value. Here how can I updating that value here by using update statement. Here update. Here what is the update statement here? Update from EMP. Here you have a in SQLite you have a update statement is there. The update is a DML statement, update from EMP, and then you have to set the salary here. Set salary. Here, what is the salary here? Actual salary here is a 8,000, but here unfortunately it's printed as a 60,000. I'm going to where I'm going to updating that value here where that's the number. For example, employee EMP number equal to 2. Here, see this one. Here, what is the condition here? You are going to updating the value here, employee salary. Here, what is the employee salary? Actually, 60,000. Here, set the employee salary equal to 8,000. For where, for whom I want to set here employee number 2. Here, if you execute this one here, the values change. That means it takes some. Okay, what is the syntax here in this case? Update from EMP. It's not a syntax here. Update EMP only, not a from here. Update EMP. Here, updating the particular value. Here, if you want to execute the SQL command here, select star from EMP. Here, it will update the particular value here. The updated value here is a 8,000. Yeah, here the 60,000 here. Previously, it was 60,000. Here now it is a converted as a 8,000 here. Here in this way, you will performing the DML statement here. Here the first statement here for the DML insert. Here you inserted the value into the table. After that, deleting the some values from the table here, and then you will update the values here. Why? Because you performed the three different DML. Yeah, SQLite simple queries here. Here, how can you execute the simple queries in SQL here? Yeah, the simple way here is a um, data frame. The DB interface here, with the interface you will execute the selection statement. Here select star from EMP, already execute that one. Here you will apply the where clause here. Where, here you have a selection of information is there. The where clause here. Here how can you apply the where clause here? If you have the more number of information, then you will apply the I required where salary. The salary equal to 500. Here for example, the where clause, in the where clause here you will apply the condition. Here select star from EMP, where the condition here. Here the condition here is a salary. Here the salary greater than, for example, 5000, greater than 5000 value. Here always it displays the greater than 5000 value. Select star from EMP, where salary greater than, yeah, greater than 5000. Only one value here is there. Here only one value. Here if you see the table here, table consists of 5000, say 8000. Here it's having the only one value, greater than 5000. Here if you apply the greater than or equal to, that means in the where clause you will apply the some operators here, arithmetic operators, greater than, less, logical operator, greater than, less than. Not only those operators here, you will apply the and, or, like that. Here greater than or equal to 5000. If you take the greater than or equal to 5000, here what is the condition here? The greater than or equal to, the values greater than or equal to 5000, it displays the particular value. Here for simplicity you may add some other values. That means, yeah, I am taking more values here. That means I inserted more values from here. That means if you execute the select statement, it like say, yeah, here that means here you may apply the different values. For example, select where statement here. That means you may apply the and or condition here. For example, and or, how can you apply the and or condition here? Let us take simple example here. For example, where condition, yeah, I think it is some problem. For example, I want to get the employee number. For example, employee number four, yeah, four times are there. Okay, I want to get the values here like this. Employee number 4, and then salary greater than 10, greater than 10,000. Here for example, under operation, how can you apply the under operation? Where here EMP EMP number here equal to 4. Here 4 in the sense, if you take the 4 value here, 4 have a EMP number 4, EMP number 4, EMP number 4 numbers are there. Here EMP number 4, and then and you will apply the logical operator and salary greater than, you may give the greater than value, greater than 10,000. Here okay, greater than 10,000. Here that displays the values, particular values here. Here it is having some error. What is the error? EMP number. Yeah, it is having error with the EMP number. EMP number. Yeah, it is greater than 10,000 in the sense here it displays that these two values only. Here the greater than 90,000 one value, and then another 90,000 one value. Here in this way you will apply the simple statements here. That means you, for the where clause here, you may apply the simple statement here. Here the sorted row. Here how can you sorted the row here? By using ordered by clause. Here you may sort the row. Here ordered by. Here how can you use the ordered by clause here? Here the ordered by clause syntax here, select star from EMP. Here ordered by, you may use any information ordered by. Here for example, uh, I need a particular order here. I need an order in a, that means you have a data like this. Here I want to get the order in particular based on the salary. Here I want to get the data here based on a particular salary. How can you get the data here? Select star from EMP. Here, select star from EMP. Here, you will use a ordered, ordered, ordered by. Here, here one thing here, ORDER. The simple syntax, not a order. Here, you will use ordered by salary. That means this displays the in particular order of salary. That means ascending order. By default, it takes the ascending order of salary. 5,000 salary, 8,000 salary, 10,000, and then 90,000 again 90,000 salary here. That means in this way, it will display a particular order here. If you want to take the particular department number ordered by DEPT number. Here, as per the department number, it will display the value. Department number 10 displays after that department number 20. Here, that means in this way, you will performing the sorting the data here. The filtering the data here. Here, how can you filter the